Hey there! Today, I'm diving into a serious topic that affects everyone: Cash App scams. Cyber scammers are getting trickier by the day, and it's important to stay ahead of their schemes. I'll walk you through the 5 biggest Cash App scams of 2024. Let's get started. First up, the scammers send emails or texts that look like they're from Cash App, asking you to click a link and enter your personal details. Remember, Cash App will never ask for your info this way. Always double-check the sender's address. Next, the fraudsters pose as Cash App support on social media and trick you into giving away your account info. Never share your login details with anyone claiming to be customer support. Always use the official Cash App support channels. Third, this one promises to multiply your money if you send a small amount first. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's because it is. You'll lose your money and get nothing in return. If it looks like easy money, it's probably a con. Now let's talk about you'll receive a message saying someone accidentally sent you money and asks you to return it. When you do, the original payment is reversed, leaving you out of pocket. Always double check with Cash App before refunding any payments. Finally, the scammers pretend to be someone you know, like a friend or family member, asking you to send money urgently. Always verify by calling the person directly before sending any money. Don't let urgency cloud your judgment. That's it for the biggest Cash App scams of 2024. Stay vigilant and protect your hard-earned money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos to stay safe online. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.